As you can see, you will understand that this is a culture of the people in Ugbo community. Ugbo village, that's in Ugbo. Ugbo is in Agwu local government area. The age grade system, the age grade initiation system. It happens every 3 years, and this is Ugbo Bala. Share this video. Tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are. Like, comment. Different groups. That's Agwu Ugbo. Agwu Ugbo happening live. Different groups you can see. Ugbo now about there. There's another group. As you are joining, just tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are. Share the video. This kind of system practice in Igbo land, it helps the age grade system to know what their certain age grade is doing. It will push them to achieve more, pursue more goals, and also bring development to the community. The field is filled up with people, so we'll keep showing you how it's going. Very soon the live streaming will be over and we'll continue what we are doing. The field is filled up, so many things is happening. Thank you for joining Amokwe TV.